Hello Khalid. This video is for you. You state your car is black smoke coming out the exhaust, running rich, sooty spark plugs, and I'm suggesting there's possible one cause is the cold start slide valve in here is stuck, is not moving properly. You've got your water thermostat, water housing here, and there's a thermostat inside there, a bulb and a rod that works on the slide valve in here. Air filter right here. So you need to check your air filter, make sure it's clean, so you don't have possibility of this being clogged. And then you've also got your this fitting going to the vacuum on the intake manifold. So let's take a look, see what we got inside here. Now then, you've got water in here, but oftentimes the water will not come out, or if it does, there's just a little bit that comes out, because that bulb is stuck inside there and stays stuck and will not release water. You can see this is under tension because that bulb is under tension. It's got to work against that piston inside there. And you've got a special washer underneath here that seals the bulb and keeps water in and allows the bulb to operate. So there's the bulb. This is a thermostat, and this bulb operates off of the water temperature. Here's our special washer right here, beveled. And this, if it's connected to the hoses, you just bend it off to one side. And here is our slide valve inside here. And let's see, that thing is stuck. Now this is just an old injection unit that was removed. Okay, let's see if I'm not mistaken, that's threaded, so we can pull it out with a threaded rod. Let's see if this is the size. Yep, 5 millimeter. We'll get in here and can access it and pull this up. There it is. And that needs to be clean. That is a very precise aluminum fit. And that needs to be clean. Let's see what's down inside here. There's our spring and our plunger. So all that needs to be clean and work properly. Set the camera up here so you can see what's going on. Okay, so that's what is inside there, and that is one possibility as to why this is not working properly. Yeah, I put that back inside there, but anyway, what you're going to do is take this out, and you can see inside here, see how corroded it is inside your hole right here. So you're going to want to take some, I usually use Scotch-Brite like this, and get inside here and clean this out using your fingers and like that. And you can start to see how it's starting to clean up. Get all that corrosion and junk off of there. And it's supposed to be dry inside there. It does not, it's a dry slide, dry fit. And the same with this here. You can see how it's get the striations on there from grit getting inside there. So again, polish this up. I don't know why we polish things up. Maybe we'll polish it down. Anyway, we're just going to polish it. See the difference? See how nice that looks compared to over here? So that's what I'm thinking is a possibility for the problem that you're having. You can see how precise a fit that is. Still needs to be cleaned out some more. Even after that little bit of cleaning, it's just barely going in there. And that has to slide up and down very nicely, very precisely. Aluminum on aluminum. Very precise fit. So that is one possibility for why you're running rich, because if that thing's not sliding and stays in the cold start position all the time, then the injection pump doesn't know that it's warmed up. So I hope that helps.